Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use the highlighter tool on Bluebeam Revu to highlight texts in your document. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your document in the Bluebeam Revu application, open it. And I don't mean necessarily guys selecting the text through the select text tool here at the bottom, because you can do that as well and highlight the text like this. I mean using a marker tool like you do, for example, on a sheet of paper. So you can use this by navigating to the toolbar on the right hand side and click into the highlighter tool, or use the shortcut H. Bear in mind though guys that to gain access to these tools here, including the drawing tools, you will need to sign into a Bluebeam Revu account first. If you use this application without signing in, that toolbar will be grayed out. So select the highlighter and then choose your color in the top left. You can stick to yellow, for example, or if you'd like to highlight a mistake, a grammar or spelling mistake, let us go with the color red. You can choose the color transparency. So let me make it slightly more transparent to, let's say, 50%. And here to the right, you will see the stroke weight. So highlight the text like this. And as you can see, the color or the text background color has been changed according to our settings. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.